welcome back to another episode of this. I'm going to put on some new coilover shock rings. These are adjustable. They go, I think, up to about a 2.5 inch lift. Pick these up, I think it was 40 or 50 bucks used. They may be crap, they may be good. They may be crap. Gonna find out. Here we go. There's a spacer in there that makes it a little too high, and that's what it does to your upper control arm. That's going to be later. That bump stop there is to keep it from hitting the bucket and makes a lot of noise. I don't do things once, sometimes not twice, so this will be 3 times when I actually get around to doing the upper control arm. So the first thing I'm going to do is undo and loosen the front sway bar, because it makes it a lot easier to move things up and down and all around. So move this thing out of the way a little bit. Next we'll get out this cotter pin. Then using a 22 millimeter, I'm going to loosen this up, and it's been off not that long ago, so it'll probably pop off pretty easy. There we go. And you don't want to take it all the way off. So just part way. And actually, as you can see, it's already loose from the last time I did it. We're good there. So I'll get a jack under it so it doesn't slam down to the bottomed out position when I let it go. And since I don't even own a floor jack yet, the trusty bottle jack. Still want it to fly down. All right, there we go. Wasn't too bad. So we will get this out of the way. Yeah, that's a little tight. There we go. There we go. Now it's loose. We'll get those 3 on the top. One. New used one. There we go. Let's get those started. All right. How easy was that? Nice. So we'll get these tightened up. Upper control arm back on and tighten it all up. Torque to John foot-pounds. Get these other 2. And I'm going to actually leave that bump stop there for now. Don't know if that's a good idea or not, but we're going to find out. If I can find that cotter pin, we'll put that back in there, and this side will be done. All right, and we just broke that off, so I'm going to get another one. At least we got half of it on there. What could go wrong? So let's do the other side. Peel on, and I won't bore you with the same thing on the other side. Let's get it done, show you what it looks like. And I will torque those in a little bit. Okay, so drove it around the block a little bit. I've got about 20 3/4. It dropped a full 1/2 inch, which I'm actually happy with because I think it was a little too high before. I have a BFH, so the old Stanley framing hammer with a bunch of good wax right there, and that got it. So let's keep going. All right, all torqued, good to go. They may be crap. So it turns out that both the coilovers, the large washer that would sit on top of the boot, was missing. So I had to do them both all over again. But it went pretty quick. So here's a couple pics. And no more looseness. Much better. I think I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.